Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English class for the students of nursery on the topic of making word from Q to Z. I am repeating, our today's topic is making word from Q to Z. So let's start. Students, first we will write with the letter Q. We will write two words with each letter. Q for queen. Q U double E N. Queen. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Q U I L T. So Q for queen. Q for quilt. Now R. R for rat. R A T. Rat. R for rose. R O S E. Rose. R for rat. R for rose. Now we will write with the letter S. S for sun. S U N. Sun. S for sun. S for star. S T A R. Star. S for sun. S for star. Now come to T. T for tap. T A P. Tap. T for tiger. T I G E R. Tiger. T for tap. T for tiger. Now U. U for umbrella. U M B R E double L A. Umbrella. And another word is uniform. U N I F O R M. Uniform. U for umbrella. U for uniform. Now we'll write with the letter V. V for van. V A N. Van. And other word is vase. V A S E. Vase. V for van. V for vase. Now we'll write with the letter W. W for wall. W A double L. Wall. And W for watch. W A T C H. Watch. So W for wall. W for watch. Now X. X for X-ray. X R A Y. X-ray. X for X M A S. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Y A K. Yak. And Y for yellow. Y E double L O W. Y for yak and Y for yellow. Now at last we will write with the letter Z. Z for zoo. Z double O. Zoo. And Z for zebra. Z E B R A. Zebra. Now students, say with me. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Spell with me. Q U double E N. Queen. Q U I L T. Quilt. Q for queen. Q for quilt. R. R for rat. R for rose. R A T. Rat. R O S E. Rose. S for sun. S for star. S U N. Sun. S T A R. Star. T for tap. T for tiger. T A P. Tap. T I G E R. Tiger. U for umbrella. U for uniform. U M B R E double L A. Umbrella. uniform, uniform. U for umbrella, U for uniform. V for van, V for vase. V-A-N, van. V-A-S-E, vase. W for wall, watch. W-A-L-L, wall. W-A-T-C-H, watch. X for X-ray, Xmas. X-R-A-Y, X-ray. X-M-A-S, Xmas. Y for yak, Y for YOLO. Y-A-K, yak. Y-E-L-L-O-W, YOLO. Y for yak, Y for YOLO. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Z-O-O, zoo. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Now students, I am giving homework. Don't forget to do homework, making word. Making word from Q to U. Your homework will be making word from Q to U. Students, do your homework in your SW copy and submit the copies on every Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can submit those copies on every Sunday and can collect those copies on next Sunday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.